musicians have no idea they're performing on the most famous ship ever built tonight. People are waiting hours just to buy Titanic tickets. Nobody knows what's coming next, honestly. Okay, this is insane. I'm literally boarding the Titanic right before its very first voyage. I cannot believe people casually walked through this staircase like it was completely normal luxury. This cabin is bigger than some modern apartments, and we're literally floating across the Atlantic. This part of Titanic feels completely different. Crowded, smaller, and honestly way more emotional somehow. The engines down here are unbelievably massive, and this entire room shakes non-stop every second. It's unreal. These operators are sending messages across the ocean without realizing history's about to change forever tonight. This is where every decision controlling the Titanic was made while crossing the freezing Atlantic Ocean. This lounge honestly feels more luxurious than modern hotels, and everybody here seems unbelievably relaxed tonight. These lower corridors feel seriously unsettling, and the engine noise echoes through every metal wall here. I still cannot believe the Titanic had an indoor swimming pool back in 1912, honestly. This kitchen is operating like a luxury restaurant while thousands of passengers eat upstairs right now. This dinner looks more expensive than anything I've ever seen in my entire life, honestly. These musicians have no idea they're performing on the most famous ship ever built tonight. Okay, wait. Titanic bathrooms were actually more modern than I expected from 1912, honestly. The ocean is completely black tonight, and honestly, this feels weirdly peaceful and terrifying together. Wait! Something's happening near the bridge, and everybody suddenly looks seriously nervous right now! Oh my God, the whole ship just shook, and people are starting to scream everywhere. Nobody's saying it directly yet, but I seriously think this ship might actually sink tonight. Families are getting separated everywhere, and this suddenly feels way more real than before, honestly. Oh my God, the water is unbelievably freezing, and I can barely feel my hands anymore. I found this wooden table somehow, and honestly, it's the only reason I'm still alive. There's a rescue boat coming toward me right now, and I seriously thought I was done. Oh my God, thank you so much.